The numerical is find the number of molecules of CO2 present in its .25 moles. So we have to find out the number of molecules present in its 0.25 moles. You will use the same formula. The number of moles, number of particles divided by 6.02 to 10 to the power 23. What is not given to you is the number of molecules or number of particles. We can write in terms of particles because here we are clear, we are asking about the molecules. So from here we know the number of molecules will be equal to number of moles multiplied by 6.02 to 10 to the power 23. It is 0.25 into 6.02 to 10 to the power 23. So it's almost 1 by 4. So it will be 1.5 into 10 to the power 23. So these many molecules will be present in 0.25 moles of carbon dioxide.